blank canvas,
concentration camp, someone asked him, "Did you lose your family in the
clean palette,
actually the opposite. My father's Hans Frank. He was
33 days,
attorney, and he walked away with great shame and guilt.
build it
And,
stroke by stroke,
what the fuck? Why do you share that much? You're not helping anyone. What do you want them to do with that information? You know?
stroke by stroke.
But gaming is the part that's like, I think could be like a maybe better word. If it's like, think about it.
Start with the setup, good light, clean space. Learn your brushes before you chase detail. Big shapes first, step back, check the whole frame. Find the darkest dark, know where the light came. Value before color, that's how foam gets real. Mixed with intention, know what every color needs. Warmer or cooler, lighter or deep. Keep that brush clean when the mixtures lose clarity. HowExpert guide to oil painting. 33 days to build your way. Mix the color, control the light. Build your layers, get the values right. Still life, landscape, portrait too. Learn what the paint can really do. Stroke by stroke, day by day. Build the skill, find your way. When you lay a paint, know what's underneath. Lean down low, richer layers as you build. Hard edges pull forward, soft edges fall away. Use both with purpose to create depth on the plane. Don't paint skin, look for colors in the face. Don't paint a tree, look at shape, temperature, value, space. Choose your focal point, let the quiet areas breathe. Not every inch needs equal energy. Observe, mix, place, adjust, step back. Look again, that's how your eye starts teaching your hand. HowExpert guide to oil painting. Color, layers, shadow, light. 33 days to train your eye. From first brush stroke to finished design. 200 plus illustrations show every step inside. If these few lessons changed how you see the canvas, there's a whole system